How to change the name of a file. Press the menu button to open the menu. Use the up and down button to select files. And press enter. Then use the up and down button to select the desired file and press enter again. Then use the up and down buttons to select rename and press enter again. Once on this screen, you can use the up and down buttons to move the cursor, like so. And you press the enter button to confirm a selection. So we're going to select delete, and we're going to delete the name that is currently there. Move the cursor to select a different character. On the bottom left, you can change the character type. So you can have uppercase, lowercase, symbols, or numbers. Once you have made your choice about your name, select the enter button to confirm. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.